learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, we're teaching you how to offer help to someone. Let me help you with something. 我來幫你一下。
我來老五聽書。
我來老五聽書. Okay, that literally means let me help you. 聽書, that's help. It's Chinese New Year month, you know? And so a lot of people are worrying about, or have to spend a lot of time preparing a New Year's banquet for the family. Let's put you in a situation preparing for a Chinese New Year banquet. 年菜都準備好了嗎？
過年嘅菜，
過年嘅菜，
全部準備好嗎？
全部準備好嗎？後忙就是
好了沒？
好了沒？ Okay, 那準備叫做
準備。
準備 Okay, that means to prepare. But what are we preparing? The Chinese New Year special dishes. Okay, 也就是年菜。
過年嘅菜，
過年嘅菜其實就是過年的菜的意思。
對，就是年菜了。
The meal for crossing over to a new year is how you say the Chinese New Year meal. Okay? 當然要幫忙的時候一定是會說還沒，所以才會有人要來幫忙嘛，對不對？ So how do you say, no, not yet, I haven't prepared this yet. 還沒。
很忙。
很忙，感覺好忙哦。我
就是好忙啊，所以就很忙。
不錯，有兩個意義在裡面哦。聽起來像很忙，但是意思是說還沒。
對，那海陸腔，很忙。
很忙啊，這就變忙了。
很忙。
That's a different dialect of saying, no, I haven't prepared it. But it all sounds like something else, such as I'm buzzed or I'm very busy. But it's not. It's all about I haven't prepared it yet. 那如果當天都還沒準備好的話，這個就是時候就急了吧？
客人都來了。
對，客人都來了，這時候一定要幫忙了啦。
找人來幫忙吧。
對。Let's say you're on the day and you still haven't finished preparing the meal. Then you would say, oh no, the guests are coming. Let me help you. Okay, 客人快來了，我來幫你。
您好。
您好。
就是客人哦。
Okay.
臨時會來了。
臨時會來了，就是快要來了。
對，隨時都要來了。
Okay, the guests are coming very, very soon.
我來老五聽書。
就是我們的主題啦。我來老五聽書。Okay, that means let me help you. All right, let's review some of these phrases right here. 年菜, the Chinese New Year dishes.
過年嘅菜。
過年嘅菜 to prepare 準備。
準備
and 客人 guests.
您好。
您好 and it's all about helping people. Let me help you.
我來老五聽書。
我來老五聽書 and there you go. Have a happy Chinese New Year. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺是說張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.